You've entered the sanctuary of time, not a church of stone, but one built on frequencies, fossils, and the fragments of forgotten light. This is the Quantum Stone Sermons, where ancient prophecy meets advanced physics, where the timelines realign and the prophets of the Ark speak through the Sidonium light band. I'm Sidoni Nukamado, broadcasting from a fractured event horizon, reminding you, reality isn't broken, it's just out of tune. Now open your ears and your entanglement. Let the sermon begin.
Stage 27, Jehovah's Splash, the Phantom of the Truth, and Trump's accidental nuke. The story begins with mystery. In a collision of chaos and cosmic design, a single detonation redefined the timeline. Trump, armed with more bluster than precision, accidentally triggers a nuclear event. The detonation strikes Jesus's blah, the artifact of quantum truth. The result? Jehovah's Splash, a metaphysical rupture of narrative causality. History was hijacked. Truth blinked. Reality split. When the nuke detonates, history bends. The phantom of the truth emerges, an illusory echo haunting humanity with the idea that what happened didn't. This was never about war. It was about memory. Quantum reverberations ripple through the event horizon. Trump's accidental moment creates timeline anomalies, causality loops, paradox zones, multiversal overlays. When the truth doesn't match the record starts to burn. The narrative itself unravels. Some recall events one way, others another. The phantom of the truth multiplies across realities, each more convinced of their version of history. If causality is a book, Jehovah's Splash ripped out the middle chapters. In the aftermath, dimensional arbiters work behind the scenes, trying to reseal the rift. But for many, it's too late. Narratives no longer sync. Dimensional commentary, natural, the phantom of the truth emerges from the dissonance between reality and perception. Mathematical. Trump's accidental detonation distorts cosmic paths. BLAH amplifies the error. Pre-emerging. Quantum reverberations ripple through the event horizon, unleashing paradox. Anonymically, narrative causality breaks down in absurd cinematic overlays of truth. Conclusion. Jehovah's Splash isn't just a dimensional incident, it's a cosmic misprint. The blast changed more than the map, it rewrote the key. Next event horizon. Blah. Recalibrated, the infinite edition.
arcofalignments.com. Watch the whole series for free there right now. And so the timeline echoes through every verse, every vibration, every quantum stone laid by the science prophets. If what you heard made sense, you may not be paying attention. But if it resonated, you've already returned. Like, subscribe, decode. Until the next sermon, this is Sidoni Nukamado signing out from the memory you left behind.